Welcome back everyone, back to the Hawkridge Cocktail Kitchen. I'm here again with Izzy, and today we're going to make a Gin Fizz, a classic cocktail. We don't serve it over ice, we serve it into a chilled glass. Very straightforward to make, and you should be able to make it from regular ingredients that you've got in your kitchen. So what do we need for it? We need 60 ml of gin. We're using Dragon Hill gin that we make here for West Berkshire Brewery. It's an award-winning gin. It's got a bronze from the IWSC and a silver from the World Gin Awards. Very citrusy gin, so it works well with a gin fizz. We'll have 25 ml of sugar syrup. So that's 1-to-1 sugar syrup. If you don't know how to make that, refer to our Basil Smash video. It's got the instructions in there. And we have 1 egg white. So it sounds like an unusual ingredient for a gin cocktail, but it's not. It adds a lot of texture to the cocktail, and you'll see just how it affects it when we finish the drink. And 25 ml of fresh lemon juice as well. Pour all that into the cocktail shaker. Okay, we're going to give it what we call a dry shake, which means there's no ice in the cocktail shaker for the initial shake. So Izzy's just going to blend all that together very quickly. So about 5-10 seconds in the shaker. Okay, that should be enough. And then we put in, whoa! You couldn't do that again. No. And then we put in the ice, and a good 15 to 20 seconds shaking it up. Get that egg properly beaten into the cocktail. Should be okay. So we're going to strain this one out because we don't want the ice in it. So we'll pour that into the chilled glass. You see beautiful texture of the cocktail there. And then we'll top it up with soda water. Lovely. And we garnish that with either a slice of lemon or a piece of lemon peel. 1 Gin Fizz. Gotta drink more than just the egg.
I can literally feel it like sticking to my... Okay, right, okay. I will actually drink it. That's really nice.